Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto strawberry cheesecake cookie cups. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, for the cookie cups, you need 6 tablespoons of butter softened to room temperature, a half a cup of sugar substitute, I'm using monk fruit, 1 egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of Carbquik or some kind of other flour substitute, a 1/4 cup of protein powder, I'm just using vanilla whey, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then for the cheesecake layer, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese softened to room temperature, a half a cup of powdered sweetener substitute, I'm also using monk fruit for that, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then for the decoration, we're going to use 1 cup of strawberry puree. I just put about 16 small strawberries in my NutriBullet and pulse them, and then 24 of some kind of sugar-free chocolate chips. Let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and spray a mini muffin tin with cooking spray. Next, cream together the softened butter and sugar substitute with an electric mixer until nice and combined. Next, add the egg and vanilla extract and just mix that to combine. Next, add in the Carbquik, the protein powder, the baking powder, and the salt, and mix that to combine. Alright, I just beat my dough with an electric mixer until I incorporated it, and then I just used my hands to really make sure that all the ingredients were incorporated. And then you just want to pinch out little ball sizes and fill up your 24 cavities. You might have to play with it a little until you get all of them. And now you can take the back of a measuring spoon and indent each one. That looks good to me. And I just used cooking spray and sprayed the back of my measuring spoon about every 4, and that worked pretty good. You will have to indent them again when they come out, but let's go ahead and get these into the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. Okay, while the cookie cups are in the oven, you can go ahead and start on the filling. I had my heavy whipping cream in here, and I just beat it on high for about 2 minutes until it thickened up. And I'm going to add my cream cheese, my powdered monk fruit, and my half a teaspoon of vanilla, and mix that to combine. Alright, I just beat everything on high for about 2 minutes, and it came together nicely, and I put it in a Ziploc bag or piping bag for later. I'm going to just stick it in the refrigerator till it's time to use it. My cookie cups just came out of the oven, so I used the back of my measuring spoon and just made another indent into each one, and now we are going to let them cool in the pan about 10 minutes before using a butter knife to remove them to a cooling rack to cool completely. My cookie cups are all ready to go. They cooled off, and I just piped the frosting into the middle of each one. Added some of the strawberry sauce to each one. I am going to adjust my recipe. You really only need a half a cup of that. A cup was way too much. I didn't even use close to that. You could probably get away with 1/4 cup actually. Then I just put a little chocolate chip in the center of each one so it looks creepy like eyes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Happy Halloween!